Howdy, I'm Vivian, and the organism I selected is spider. The scientific name for spider is Aranie, and they belong to the kingdom Animalia. They also belong to the phylum Arthropod and the class Arachnid. A little more background on spiders. They are arachnids, which is a class of arthropods that include scorpions, mites, and ticks. They are unique from insects because they have a two-segmented exoskeleton and eight legs, while insects have six legs and a three-segmented body. There are over 45,000 species, and they range in size from 0.46 millimeters to 30 centimeters long. They play an important role in managing insect populations by feeding on pests that harm crops and invade indoor environments. And spiders create their webs weaved out of strands of protein called silk. And fun fact, most spiders are harmless, but there are some spiders, such as the black widow and brown recluse, that have venom poison to humans. So spiders are very adaptable and can survive in almost every environment, ranging from deserts to even underwater. During the winter, they enter a state known as diapause, which is where their metabolism slows down to conserve energy in cold environments. They are found on every continent, and some can even live as parasites on the webs of other spiders. And even though spiders live in many environments, they do prefer damp and humid ones, which is where pests thrive. So spiders implement a variety of hunting techniques to catch their prey, such as utilizing webs, venom, and speed. The most common method is the use of silk webs, which are designed to capture prey when they come into contact with the web. Some spiders, such as jumping spiders, do depend on their strong eyesight and agility to stalk and leap onto unsuspecting prey. Other spiders, such as wolf spiders, chase down their prey with speed and precision. And spiders do heavily rely on their venom to immobilize the prey. They are extremely delicate, so without their venom, they are more susceptible to getting killed or even harmed. And once the target is bitten and succumbs to the venom, the spider can finally eat the prey. And here are two images of spiders capturing insects. So spiders are predators that eat living organisms. They eat flies, mosquitoes, moths, beetles, and ants. Some spiders are even cannibalistic or consume small vertebrae. And as I mentioned earlier, they use web building, ambushing, and hunting to capture these prey. And even though spiders are predators, they are prey to animals such as birds, lizards, frogs, and wasps. For example, many reptiles and amphibians feed on spiders. Here are a couple of unique evolved traits. Spiders have spinnerets, which are tubular or conical structures that produce silk for webs in liquid form at the tip. Spiders also have venom made from several chemicals. Some are neurotoxins that evolve to kill or immobilize insects by attacking their nervous system. Spiders also have sensory hair known as trichobothria, which are on their legs and function as tiny antennae. Spiders also have mouth parts known as chelicerae, which serve as jaws or fangs used for biting, holding prey, and injecting venom. And here is a spider diagram labeled with its different body parts. And these two diagrams depict the tree of life for spiders. The first diagram shows how different groups of arachnids, including spiders, are related to each other through evolution. And starting from the bottom, those are more older ancestors. And as you go to the top, those are more common recent ancestors. The second diagram is more specific. It depicts how modern spider families are related to one another. And as you can see in the diagram, the group Mesophyllate has derived into separate groups over time, and we can use this diagram to see which traits they inherited from common ancestors. And here are references used for the information provided in the video. and thank you for watching.